You gonna go down? I'll follow her lead. Alright. Yeah? Oh, I look straight at this. Is that it? No, we have another one.
Yep.
I don't come down here often enough to use these.
Not at all.
Welcome to our basement. We're a little ashamed of all the junkiness that we have. Alright, so this is our basement. Pretty much everything that's here is tool workshop section of the basement. We have the storage section, which is the majority of our basement.
And that's it. Yeah.
More storage and storage for friend and our cat. And then the part of the basement that we use the most, because we have to do laundry, is the laundry. The goal for today, or over the next handful of days, likely, is that we can go through all of the stuff that we own that we've not had a chance to go through since we've gotten married. We just kind of took both of our stuff, mashed it together, and stuff we didn't use we stuck down here, and kind of get rid of things that we don't need, we don't want, that sort of thing. Get a chance to do what we've not yet been able to do, even though we've been married 3 years. And then, almost 3 years, once we kind of clean through everything, is to optimize the workspace for Ryan. And I, but he's the one who usually comes down here the most. You can see remnants of dust from previous wood working projects, which is why I have socks on so I don't get my feet all dirty. I like to kind of optimize the space. There's not a lot that needs to be done, but there are certain things that we don't want to put in the dryer that we want to hang and air dry. Currently they just get laid down on top of the dryer where my computer is. It doesn't normally live here. And instead of laying them down to dry on top of the dryer, I like to hang them on a rack. And then also this thing is really dirty and gross, so I think a graded shelf would be a nice thing to add, because then it won't accumulate all the dust that tends to accumulate in the basement. Other than that, and then there's also cords with exposed wires that aren't plugged in, just cords laying on the ground from when we converted this to like the duct system. So, yeah, that's the goal for today. And we'll begin. So, first things first.
I'm a realist.
Drop this one the whole world village. Okay. First things first. This section. I can't really see much of it.
I'm so artistic. I think that I did this over summer one year, and I forgot what the logo. Oh, it was a maple leaf.
We did not fade.
So hard.
Swords. Oh, they were upside down. That's how you store it, baby. So that was sword number 1. Here is bow. Here is sword number 2. I thought you had more swords.
I have 2 here.
I know, I thought you had more than that. Here's your keyblade.
No, I'm not crazy. I just like anime. All right, it died, and now we're plugged in. So there you go.
I think we only need another couple, like 20, 30 minutes. good job of going through all the stuff that we have and figuring out what we want to keep, what we don't. The bulk of it, I would say, is camping stuff and outdoor stuff, which is mainly this pile that you see that's orange and yellow and red. A bunch of moving blankets that just take some space. Just look at that.
Yeah.
We also have a bunch of empty boxes that we're saving for whenever we do move out of this apartment. So that's the majority of what we have. The rest is a few boxes of like memorabilia or like VHS tapes. Who watches those anymore? So Ryan, my question to you is, when you're looking at this space, right now this is the area of the workshop, and this is the laundry area. This is where we're storing everything. And I obviously can't put a ton of stuff in the middle right here, but we might be able to, if you want, move our storage stuff to underneath here. We can put all the boxes underneath there, and we can put the moving blankets and the camping stuff as best as we can right here. We have to get rid of these cords that are just on the ground.
And not connected to anything.
Not connected to anything.
Just right there, just chilling.
We can get you out of this corner and we can make this whole thing a workspace.
Ooh.
Which I think would be nice. Like that way you can move, like you can have a table in the middle and you can have some tools over it. So like you keep all your wood materials over here. You can have like your table and your workspace. You can have more space than just this corner. We're getting rid of enough, and we have enough empty boxes that we can stack some empty boxes. I think we can get most of it here. All right, let's start moving stuff upstairs.
Okay. So what's the upstairs pile?